Birthday girl, you got to choose a color. I am going to show everyone how to put the aprons on. This is an apron that even I can put on. You put it on. Yep. Yeah, and then you can put your hands in there. Yep, there you go. You did it. Everybody, my name is Mr. T, but you know what the kids call me? Rizmaster T. Yeah. Rizmaster, am I right? No? Okay. And Mr. T is fine. Today, we are going to learn a little bit of science-yo, as the kids like to say, but I want to make sure everybody is engaged safely. We are working with a little bit of soap, we are working with a little bit of baking soda, and we're working with a little bit of vinegar and some food coloring. I'm going to show you all how to make a Rizzy Fizzy Tower, as the kids call it. Once I've done a demo of the Rizzy Fizzy Tower, then your job is going to be to make the most interesting Rizzy Fizzy Tower with the help of a lab partner. So, to begin with, we are going to start. I'm going to use my Rizzy Fizzy Tower. We're going to start with just a little bit of baking soda, okay? Baking soda is a base. A base is a substance that releases something called hydroxide. I am going to add some soap to my baking soda. What do you think the soap is going to do?
Soap, it makes it clumpier. It makes it more like squishy.
That's an interesting, what you just gave me is a hypothesis. That's an interesting hypothesis. Now I'm going to add an acid. Acetic acid, you have it in your kitchen. It's called vinegar, okay? What's going on? Oh my goodness, what is happening here? Rise! Rise! When you mix an acid and a base, it's going to create carbon dioxide gas. How does it feel? Hold on. How does it feel temperature? It feels weird. Does it feel like whichever one you want? It's your experiment. You are the scientist. Make it the most interesting. Stay away from me to carry it, that's all. You made this really cool rainbow. You got like orange, yellow, white, clear. The vinegar, yeah. It's alive! It's alive! That's what I'm talking about. Let's get a science pound. In the middle. Why don't you just meet me in the middle, in the middle?